Fixed. This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. If you've encountered the error message, this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this problem and get your app installed on your iPhone running iOS 17. So let's dive right in. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes an unstable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection can cause installation errors. Check that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network or have a good mobile data signal. Next, let's make sure your iPhone is up to date. Apple regularly releases software updates that fix bugs and improve security. Go to Settings and simply tap on General and go to Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. This can help resolve installation errors. Now, if you're trying to install an app from a third party source or an enterprise app, you may need to trust the developer. Go to Settings and back on General, then select Device Management or Profiles and Device Management or VPN and Device Management. Here you should see the developer listed. To tap on it and simply select Trust. And this allows you to app installs from the source without triggering the integrity error. Now, if the app was partially installed and if you're still getting the error, try deleting it and reinstalling it from the App Store. Now, sometimes using a VPN or proxy server can cause issues with the app verification. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off at VPN and device management and simply turn off the VPN. If the problem persists, you can try resetting your network settings. Go back to General and simply tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and simply click on Reset and click Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN settings. After resetting your iPhone will restart, try installing the app again once it's back on. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix that this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified error.